Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to manage customer success workflows in Monday.com. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to create a new board. Click on the plus icon, select Board, and name it something like Customer Success Workflow. This serves as your central hub for managing interactions with customers. It's our first step because it gives us a dedicated space to track, monitor, and manage all customer-related tasks. Now that we've done that, let's add some columns. Click on Add Column, then select Text, Status, Date, and Person. The text column is for task descriptions, status for tracking progress, date for deadlines, and person for assigning responsibilities. This helps us because it gives structure to our workflow and ensures that every task is accounted for. Next up, add your tasks. Click on Add Item and start jotting down all the tasks related to customer success. Make sure to fill in the columns too. The reason we do this is to lay out all the tasks in one place, helping to visualize the workflow and keep everyone in the loop about what needs to be done. Now, let's automate some processes. Click on Automation at the top, select Create Automation, and choose a template that suits your needs. Perhaps, when status changes to something, notify someone. Automations offload repetitive tasks, which means less manual work and more consistency in your workflow. Lastly, let's share the board with your team. Click on Share, then Invite, and type in the email addresses of your team members. This is important because it ensures everyone has access to the workflow and can contribute to customer success. And there you have it. You now know how to manage customer success workflows in Monday.com. This process will help you streamline your tasks, promote team collaboration, and most importantly, ensure your customers are always satisfied. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.